Hey, hello everyone. So here a little tutorial about the water. So if you want to add more water place like this here, or you want to change the water, example, I want to, I don't know, maybe example, okay? We're gonna go here on UMSP, go to blueprint, find the water. So we got the water. We just gonna Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. We got the water one here, and we got the water if I want this water to work, I know it will work right now. I mean, what you need to do is you need to go to the water component that you want to use and add. And to be true, it's really simple. You go on the box, you go down here in the collision, and you see like the box is the place where you will swim. If I want, I can just, example, take a box like this here, volume, and use the trigger zone. Or if I want, I can just like make a plugin. Okay, let's make it plugin, Nectar plugin. Call it BP underscore and water. Open it. Add a box collision. So you see same thing as here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here and take the same setting here that we got on this one. So we got yes for this. We got custom here, so custom preset. What are the custom preset? They are block, and block projectile. So block visibility. No. Sorry. Visibility ignore. Only projectile in the overlaps. Everything is good. And after that, world static is block. Everything is not block. And we got the water here. That is here. And projectile like that. Good. So after that, what we're going to do is set up query only. If it's not already, it's already. And the world dynamic, we change it for water. So now we got this new water here. So I just compile, save. And if I put the water just here like a really small cube, I will put it a little bit bigger like this. And I press start here. Because I set the collision to be water, I will start swimming. You see? So the rest is really like post-processing and stuff. So it's really about the collision of the box. So yeah, that's it. So just change the collision of the box for water and it will work perfectly. Thanks for watching. Bye.